morning, teachers and trainers, students and scholars, those who are listening and belong to the field of literature. In that series, today we will know the Victorian Age. This is the great movement of victory. How this Victorian Age was started in England. The year 1830 is generally placed at the beginning of this period. Similarly, in India, it is the age of victory, but its limits are very indefinite. In general, we may think of it as covering the region of Victoria, 1837 to 1901. Historically, the age is remarkable for the growth of democracy following the Reform Bill of 1832, for the spread of education among all classes, for the rapid development of the arts and science, for important mechanical inventions, and for the enormous extension of the bounds of human knowledge by the discoveries of science. In history, we read that it was the revolutionary and visionary period of the literature, when the science was at its climax and religion was also at its culmination. Both science and religion compromised each other. This was the time when the whole nation re-established with their own thoughts. Then there was no contention, no confrontation between the nations and among the world. At the accession of Victoria, the Romantic movement had spent its force. Wordsworth had written his best work. The other Romantic poets, Coleridge, Shelley, Keats and Byron, had passed away, and for a time no new development was apparent in English poetry. Though the Victorian age produced two great poets, Tennyson and Browning, the age as a whole is remarkable for the variety and excellence of its prose. A study of all the great writers of the period